Hello, Judy Allen here, San Antonio, Texas, with Adventurous Stamping, giving you the Halloween mystery box reveal. I gave you a couple pictures there on Facebook that you can check out, but here we're going to give you some of the finished products and show you some stuff we might not have been able to see too well in the actual photos given. All right, so with that, let's go down the hands and let's see what we got here. I'm going to also show you some finished projects. So in that mystery box, there was a stamp set. Whoop, whoop. And we had this as an add-on that you could use as well too. And the box had some items so you can make different things, right? All 3D projects. It also included some glow-in-the-dark ghost and bats. We had glow-in-the-dark paper. We had some, yes, it's that silver mesh ribbon. It goes really, really nice. Some of the stuff is already sold out, right? And then here are some of the projects we made. I think one of my favorites is this one, the Dancing Witch. There was also, right, this tape in there, washi tape. Good washi tape. So we had 4 cards. We had several make and take projects there. Projects, and this was one of my favorites. This actually was a 3D project that you can turn this on and it flickers. And there's, looky there, roses. These are glow in the dark. Had the cat here. Had this in the middle. This was really fun. Put together and surprise everyone with. We have this here. We had to make the fence. So if you haven't done your projects yet, which everybody most probably should have, we'll just put this in here like this. And then you could have glued it down if you wanted to, make it more stationary. I did not, because I wanted to be able to move it, store it, and so forth and all. And then you just put this guy here. Let's see if we can get him stand up like I had him. There we go, just like that. So it flickers. Look at this in the background. Oh yeah. There's your 3D project. So not only was it black here, but this paper under here glows in the dark as well too. So that is just to give you, right, a reveal of what was in that Halloween mystery box. But don't worry, it's not the end. We'll have a holiday mystery box too, but just to give you a clue what's all in those boxes so that you are in the know. With that, look forward to it. And if you want to see what the pictures are, just click on the Facebook link or on the Instagram link, and you'll be able to get those photos. And if you're interested in the next mystery box that'll be coming up for the holidays here shortly, just sign up for our newsletter and get all the details. With that, have a very nice, spooky, fun Halloween. Whoop, whoop. Bye.